Unraveling the Flow. The meaning of rolling downstream. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the intricacies of the English language, making it easier and more fun for you to learn. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, rolling downstream. It's a phrase you might have come across in literature, songs, or everyday conversation. But what does it really mean? Let's navigate these waters together and find out. At its core, rolling downstream is a phrase steeped in imagery and metaphor. To understand it, let's break it down into two parts. Rolling suggests movement, often in a steady, continuous manner. It evokes the image of something turning over and over, moving forward. Downstream refers to the direction of a current in a river or stream, flowing naturally from a source towards a larger body of water, like a lake or an ocean. When combined, rolling downstream metaphorically describes a movement that is smooth, natural, and in harmony with the surrounding environment. It's about going with the flow, allowing the natural course of events to guide you without resistance. The phrase, rolling downstream, isn't just about rivers and water. It's rich in symbolic meanings, often used to convey ease and effortlessness. Just as objects in a river flow easily downstream with the current, this phrase can symbolize an approach to life or situations that is relaxed and unforced. Natural progression. It can also represent the idea of moving forward in life or through experiences in a way that feels natural and right, following the path of least resistance. Letting go. Sometimes, rolling downstream is about letting go of control, allowing things to happen as they will, trusting in the journey rather than fighting against it. How do we use rolling downstream in everyday language? Here are a few examples. In advice, sometimes, you just have to keep rolling downstream and trust that things will work out. In storytelling, like a leaf rolling downstream, he let the currents of fate guide his path. In expressions of philosophy or outlook, life is easier when you learn the art of rolling downstream. Understanding the phrase, rolling downstream, opens up a beautiful way to describe life's journey and our approach to challenges and experiences. It encourages us to embrace the flow of life, trust the process, and recognize the beauty in moving with ease and acceptance. We hope this exploration helps you see the depth and beauty in this phrase and perhaps even apply its wisdom in your own life. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep rolling downstream in your English language learning adventure.